Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Bethany, one busy mama, doing things, okay? So stay tuned because this is getting unboxed, okay? Next. Right now, we're just doing unboxing, some random stuff. I got Target orders. I got Glossybox and LookFantastic for the month of January, I believe. And, some merch of my own. All right, so let's do the Target. If you missed any of the Converse with the Mamas, shout out to that, is a playlist. I ordered some socks from Target online, and there were 7 socks. Like, yeah. And so I quickly reported that, but I had already previously ordered some extra socks for Mr. Lucas. So, you know, we like colors, so he can color coordinate and learn to do that on his own. These are no-show socks. This is the Cat and Jack brand, which I really love, size small. And they took off the price tag, but I'm sure they were 10 bucks. It doesn't even tell you here. So, and this should be my replacement for the other socks. Yes, indeed. Here they go. And they're very soft. Cat and Jack, again, size small. So let's double check. You guys can count with me. Whoops. Black socks are so much easier for little kids. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 socks. So there's the 10 pair. These are gonna go straight in the wash because I always wash everything before I put them on my kids, especially. And I still use baby detergent until I feel like his sensitivity goes down. So, yeah, that's my little plug. So got that out of the way. Let's get into my own merch. So if you haven't seen my spread shop, it should be down there. If not, just go in the description box. There's always a link. And if not, you could just go on spread shop and search One Busy Mama. So this is the design. I did get the heather gray. So I got the Infinity Love hoodie. This is about $30 ish. So I got large, yep, heather gray. If you want to scan that barcode, if you like it so much, there you go. And I have many designs on my channel. It's got the one full pocket in the front. I would try it on, but I gotta wash it. So it's got the one full pocket across the belly, which I like for cell phones and you know, keys and things. And universal heather gray is always awesome. So this is just one of my designs on there. It actually resembles a little bit of my tattoo. I'm always giving you guys information about me. Good Lord. Okay, so that was that. Go check out my merch. Gift it, send it, buy it for a friend. And then let's get into LookFantastic. Got my handy dandy scissors. These boxes are like really well packaged. That's all I could say. I don't know why they keep sending it to my old address. It's a little weird because I've changed my address on there a few times. So I love these boxes because they are good quality cardboard. You can keep stuff in them for hoarders like me. And they have good items. So Glossybox and LookFantastic are pretty much the same company. They just offer a different variation out of the UK. So I'm loving this lilac color We want you to feel inspired. See, like you could leave that and just put it, and just like hang it up on the wall if you wanted to, and do like a shadow box type of thing. Put some crystals, maybe some little fairies, you know, jewelry. I don't know. Yep, super creative. So it looks like this. I didn't hit myself. I almost did though. And this is what we got going on in here. I see a few repeats that I've got in other boxes, but that's gonna happen. So you can scan this if you want to. Read this month's beauty box magazine. Oh, I don't like that. I like keeping their little magazines. I use them to have Lucas find words in them. So, multi-purpose. Oh, this is Molten Brown, London. Orange and Bergamot bath and shower gel. I've gotten another one of these and they smell awesome. Like, oh, it's like clean, refreshing, less citrusy because it says orange, but very refreshing. So I like that. And then a coconut and fig by Style Dry. This has coconut oil and maru butter. It's a hair mask. I'm trying to see, 50 mLs. That's a nice size for a hair mask. And it's sealed, so I like that. How to use: gently work the mask through your hair, root to tip, leave for 10 minutes. I do see that alcohol is one of the ingredients, so likely it will dry your hair out a little bit. But this is made in the Netherlands. That's awesome. So shout out to Fresh Ingredients for sure. For skincare and hair care and all kinds of care. This is Lumine. I've seen this in Stylovana. I could be wrong, but I'm sure I have. Nordic Hydra Oxygen Recovery Hydra Gel Mask. So it's hydrating, sealed, and it's got some warning labels there. For external use only, avoid contact with eyes, with most things, right? 15 mLs, and this is made in Finland. Awesome. Okay, this is cool. Brushworks. I swear everything is dusty. Scalp massage brush. Okay, I just got one of these in my other box. I can't remember. But it's pink. It's got a little, it's almost the same thing. The other one was orange. It's plastic, and it has like, you know, that'd be good for like a dog. Like if you want to give your dog a little scrub. Not for me, for my hair. I mean, I scrub my hair with my own nails. But this is nice. Latest tools in beauty. And this is made where? I'm so curious. China. Designed and developed in the UK, but made in China. So, the last item in here is Lano Lips 101 ointment. I haven't seen this, but it's a ointment multi-balm. Strawberry, 100%, 101 uses. That's why it's 101. Okay. So, hydrating, nourishing, super intense, seals in moisture, vegetarian, multitasker. Let's see what it looks like. I love a lip balm. My lips are always dry, but this is very cute and it's got multi-purpose, so I just like that. Lightly scented, which is okay. Cruelty free, lasts for 12 months. Australia. Oh, all right. So that was a pretty good box. Like I said, I keep the boxes. I found something else in there. That was 4 items. Usually there are 5. So this was hidden down below. Alert, alert, alert. You always check your stuff, man. So this works. This is a tiny little thing here. 15 mLs. This is Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum, 2% hyaluronic acid, and slow release vitamin C. brightening morning skin. Okay, that's cool. I will leave that with my skincare stuff, which is sitting here waiting to be put away. We're not going to talk about that. We're going to do that another time because this show is not for that. But if you do want to see me put away my skincare items in the IKEA shelf cabinet thing that I put together, let me know down in the comments and we'll do it. It's up to you guys what you want to see. Because I've got it here. I haven't put it away because I'm just waiting to do it with you. So like a declutter, organized type of thing. All right, so Glossybox is the last one in this thing here. New Horizons. I'm loving, do I have to say it? Loving this box. All right. It's just beautiful. Same company again. And now they're doing this whole scan me. I'm not a fan of that. I will tell you that, 'cause I don't want to go look for it. I want you to send me the insert, okay? I know you feel like it's a waste, but here's what it looks like. Purple and blue, yeah. Okay. Oh, something different. Look at this brush. It's very well made here. This is the Tangle Teaser. Ooh, I love it. I have to see if this works. Okay, and then we have the Real Her. We've seen this brand a lot. Bronze Beauty. Power Wear Bronzer. Let's see. I've heard good stuff about Real Her. From what I was told, it's a dad who made stuff for his daughters. And they all have like woman power, girl power names. So Bronzed Beauty. And that's the shade. You know what? That's not bad. See, like to me, it looks dark, but like next to my face, I think it would work. I like the size. You know, I'm not even sure, like, where's the scan thing? Because now I want to know. Now I want to know what it's all about. Ow! It says scan me, and this thing ain't scanning. Because then I can give you more information. Or not. Well, it's not working. That's a shame. So Bronze Beauty is the color. We'll put that right there. And then we have milk. Oh, I love milk. Not like drinkable milk, but their products. So this is the Kush mascara. This looks like a sample because I have full size. It's vegan. It's 3 mLs. This is so great because, yeah, I definitely have this already. I'll just show you guys. I already have this, but I like the packaging like that. That's a good item, really. Clean beauty. All right, next, Biro, New York, okay? Kiwi Detox Gel Cleanser. Sealed. This is different. Apply to damp skin. All right, vegan, animal, test free. Okay, I like that. Next is Hugin. It's from Paris, so it's a gommage. Organic face scrub, 12 mLs. Oh, I'm down with the French, so oui, okay? C'est la vie. It's vegan, last 6 months. You know I'm gonna keep that. They have really great skincare. Let me just check. That's that, and that's the end of that box. All right, so you guys let me know what your thoughts are. I love these boxes. It just embraces my hoarding, which is not a good thing for me anyway. I like the pamphlet that they give you so that you can have some information if you wanted to. But this thing is not scanning, so unfortunately, I can't give you more information. So anyway, that's what I have for you guys today. I am going to open these suckers, let you know all about Simply Earth. So if you want to see that, let me know down in the comments as well, and stay tuned for that, guys. And as always, stay safe.